Hello everyone. So now we are on to the lecture 11, question number 15. Okay, question number 15 of your study material. All of you have a look at question number 15 of your study material. Now listen carefully. This is an important question because in addition to the question what we practiced in the last two lectures, something more is covered in this. Look at it. From the following information, calculate what rent should be charged for each type of suite by Orchid Hotel. So this type of question we have done earlier also. What should be charged for single room, double room, triple room, similar kind of question it is. However, what is extra we'll see over here. You can see in this table summer season for 7 months. Okay, summer season for 7 months is given to you and winter for 5 months. First of all, we are going to assume that every month will be of 30 days. Like yearly we used to assume 360 days if nothing was given. So same way for every month we'll assume 30 days. Now three types of rooms are there, you all can see. Single room, double room, 3-room suite. Here also single room, double room and 3-room suite. Number of rooms 150 and 25 in both the cases would remain same. Summer or winter season won't affect the number of rooms in the hotel. However, it will definitely affect the occupancy rate. In summer season, for single rooms 90% is the occupancy rate, double room 80% and triple room or 3-room suite is 60%. In winter season, the occupancy is less. Single room, make the correction, instead of 40%, make it 45% occupancy. Double room is 40% and 3-room suite is 40%. Wages of room attendant per day. This is a new point over here. Wages of room attendant per day. 2 rupees, 3 rupees and 4 rupees. And in winter, instead of 2, he is charging 3 for single room. Instead of 3, he is charging 4.5 for single room. And instead of 4, he is charging 6. Quite obviously, the occupancy goes down. So he will charge more per day because the wages of room attendant are variable expenses. The more days the room go on rent, the more work attendant will get, the more will be his wages. So here, since the occupancy goes down, his wage rate has to increase to compensate him for the cost of living. Okay. So instead of 2 rupees, 3, instead of 3, 4.5, instead of 4, 6. Anyway, let's not go into the rationale of paying more. In summer, the rate is 2, 3 and 4. In winter, the rate is 3, 4.5 and 6. Details of annual expenses. So we'll be making the statement for 1 year. We have discussed this earlier also. Since you are given the expenses for 1 year, we will be making the statement for 1 year. Lighting, power, staff salary, repairs and maintenance, linen, interior decoration cost. Sundry expenses, make correction, instead of 45, it should be 47,730. Details of investments on dates of depreciation are building. 20 lakhs is invested in building and rate of depreciation is 5% by straight line method, means we'll count on 20 lakhs only. Depreciation 5% on 20 lakhs. Furniture and fixtures 7.5 lakhs. Rate of depreciation is 10%, again SLM method. So 10% also will calculate on 7.5 lakhs. Interest at 18% per annum on the total fixed investments to be charged as a part of cost. This is one more new expense. Interest of 18% per annum you charge on this. Total investment of 27.5 lakhs. 20 lakhs you have invested in building. 7.5 lakhs you have invested in furniture and fixtures. Total investment is 27.5 lakhs, on which we have to charge interest of 18% per annum. Desired profit is 20% on total takings, so that is on sales, reverse workings to calculate the profit. Now, rent of single room is to be fixed at 2/3 of double room suite of which the rent is 3/4 of the rent of 3-room suite. Means double rooms rent is 3/4 of 3-room, single rooms rent is 2/3 of double room. So in this question we will have to assume the rent of 3-room suite. I repeat, in this question we will have to assume the rent of 3-room suite because single room is expressed as 2/3 of double. Means to know the rent of single room we must have the rent of double room, and double is 3/4 of 3-room. So to know the rent of double room we must know the rent of 3-room. Means first we must know the rent of 3-room, from that only we can find double room, and from that only we can find single room. In past questions it had been given reverse. Double room's rent was given maybe 2.5 or 3 times of single room. 3-room was given double of double room. So we assume single room's rent as 1. Here 3 rooms suites rent will have to be assumed because double room is expressed as some part of 3-room. Single room is expressed as some part of double room. So finally we will have to make assumption for 3-room suite. Okay. Now let's start with the solution. First we will make the workings. First workings here we will make for occupancy. Here we will make the workings for occupancy in the beginning because the wages of attendant cannot be obtained until the occupancy is known. Okay, wages is 2 rupees per day. They are not given like past questions, direct amounts. So until we find the occupancy, we cannot find the wages, and without wages, we cannot make the statement. That's why we are finding the occupancy first. So summer season. Okay, first we find occupancy for summer season. 100 rooms are there, multiplied by 90% occupancy. All of you can see here, 100 rooms into 90% occupancy, okay, into 7 months. Into 7 months, and we assume 30 days in a year. Okay, each month we assume 30 days in a year. So the total amount would come to 100 into 90% into 7 months into 30 days. So that comes to 18,900. Okay. Same way for winter. Same 100 rooms, but occupancy is 45%. Okay. So 100 rooms into 45% into 5 months. Winter is 5 months in a year and into 30 days. So that comes to 100 into 45% into 5 months into 30 days. 6750. Total occupancy means total rooms going on rent in the whole year, single room. 18 plus 6, 24. So 25,650. Now occupancy of double rooms, 50 rooms, 80%. So 50 rooms into 80% into 7 months into 30 days. 50 into 80%, 40 into 7, 280 into 30. So 280 into 30, 8,400. Okay. Then same 50 rooms, 40% is the occupancy in winter and 5 months. So 50 rooms into 40% occupancy, that is 20 rooms into 5 months. 100 into 30 days, 3,000. So 11,400 is the total number of rooms going on rent for double rooms. And 3-room suite, 25 rooms and 60% occupancy in summer. 25 rooms into 60%, that is 15 rooms into 7 months into 30 days. 25 into 60%, that is 15, into 7 months, into 30 days, 105 into 30, that is 3150. Okay. And same is 40% occupancy in winter. So 25 rooms into 40% occupancy into 5 months into 30 days. So 25 into 40% is 10, into 550 into 3, 1500. Total is 4650. Now, as we discussed, why did we find this occupancy in the beginning? So that we can find the wages expense which is to be taken in the statement. So how will we find the wages? Understand it. Let's find the wages. First, for single room, we'll have to do it separately for summer and winter because the rate of summer and winter season is different. In summer season, 18,900 rooms go on rent. Okay, total 18,900 rooms go on rent, and the wages are rupees 2 per day. So 18,900 is already by multiplying with number of days. Directly we will multiply it with rupees 2. So 18,900 double, 37,800 would be the wages for single rooms in summer. And in winter 6,750 rooms and the rate goes to 3 rupees. So 6,750 rooms into 3 rupees is the wages for every day. So that comes to 6 3s are 18, 20,250. Okay, 6,750 into 3. Now for double rooms in summer, 8,400 rooms go on rent, which is already multiplied with number of days. So per day means in the factor of number of days is already included in 8,400, 8,900, 6,750. Simply multiplied with 3 rupees of double room rents for summer. So 25,200 for winter, 3,000 rooms go on rent, and rent for per day is 4.5 in winter for double rooms. So into 4.5, 13,500. Then for 3-room suite, summer, 3,150 rooms go on rent and the rate is 4 rupees. So 3,150 into 4, 12,600. And for winter, 1,500 rooms go on rent and the rate for winter of 3-room suite is 6 rupees. So 1,500 into 6, 9,000. So total amount of wages that we shall be paying is 37, 57, 82, 95, 1 lakh 7, 1 lakh 16, 17, 18, 350, 118,350. 118,350 would be the total amount of wages. So that was the reason why we found occupancy in the beginning itself. Now we can make the statement showing cost and profit. All of you give the headings in your notebook. Orchid Hotel statement showing cost and profit for 1 year. Make this statement for around 1 page and make the format. Pause the video and make the format fast. Yes, I hope everyone is done with the format. Now be attentive. So let's start with this wages expense itself. Wages which we have shown in working note 2. So 118350. Now, which are the other expenses given in the question? From the first table, we got wages. Lighting expenses 75,225. Lighting 75,225. Then after lighting, we have power 26895. Power 26895. Then after power, we have staff salary 1,76,000. Staff salary 1,76,000. Then after staff salary, we have repairs and maintenance 30,000. Repairs and maintenance 30,000. Then after repairs and maintenance, we have linen 45,000. Linen 45,000. Then after linen, we have interior decoration cost 60,000. Interior decoration cost 60,000. Then after interior decoration cost, we have sundry expenses. We made the correction 47,730. Sundry expenses 47,730. Then after sundry expenses, we have depreciation. Okay, depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. Now building is of 20 lakhs and depreciation rate is 5% by straight line method, and we are making the statement for full 1 year. So full year's depreciation will be charged 20 lakhs, 5%, that is 1 lakh. And then depreciation on furniture and fixtures. 7.5 lakhs of furniture is there, 10% is depreciation. So 7,50,000 into 10%, 75,000. And after depreciation, in the last paragraph, we have one more new expense. Interest of 18% is to be calculated on total investments. So interest on investment, now as we discussed, investment is 27,50,000, this 20 lakhs of building and 7.5 lakhs of furniture. So 27,50,000 into 18%. Okay, 27,50,000 into 18%. That is 4,95,000 of interest cost. So all the expenses are taken into consideration. Now we shall do the total of all the expenses. So 118,350 plus 75,225 plus 26895 plus 1,76,000 plus 30,000 plus 45,000 plus 60,000 plus 47,730 plus 1 lakh plus 75,000 plus 4,95,000. That comes to 12,49,200. This is the total cost. Here we don't have any expenses like variable rent or overheads. So only one working is to be done, that is for profit. And then what we will get is total takings, which is like sales. So to find the profit, we'll go reverse. This would be our working note 3. Okay, two workings are already done in the beginning, occupancy and wages. So now working note 3. Suppose total takings is equal to 100. Now if you go reverse, then from that we will minus the profit. What is the percentage of profit given in the beginning? At the end, 20% on total takings. So 100 minus 20 of profit, cost would be 80. Now from that we will make it, when cost is 80, profit is 20. So when cost is 12,49,200, then what should be the profit? Cross multiply 12,49,200 into 20 divided by 80. Okay, 12,49,200 into 20 divided by 80. Do it in calculator, everyone. 12,49,200 into 20 divided by 80. That comes to 3,12,300. So profit is 3,12,300. In bracket of profit, working note 3, 3,12,300. If we add that, we will get 15,61,500. This is the total takings to be recovered from all the rooms. So far everything was similar. Only difference was in the calculation of wages. And I hope everyone is clear with the calculation of wages. Okay, that for calculation of wages we have done occupancy in the beginning, and then the rate is given per day. Occupancy is already obtained by multiplying with 7 months into 30 days, 210 days. Means this 18,900 already includes 210 days factor of 100 rooms. So therefore 18,900, 6,750, all these already include 210 days. Therefore directly we will multiply with rupees 2 per day and get the wages which we shall be paying to the room attendants. For that purpose we have done occupancy calculation in the beginning. Otherwise rest of the calculations are exactly same as previous questions. Now we will be making the calculation of rent to be charged as we have been doing in past 3-4 questions. So calculation of room rent to be charged. Okay, calculation of room rent to be charged. Now here, first occupancy, we have done this earlier also. Occupancy of single room we got it as 25,650. Double rooms we got it as 11,400. Okay, double rooms occupancy 11,400, and 3 room suites occupancy is 4,650. Total is not needed. Multiplied with weights. Now weights means the number of times. I told you here we shall be assuming the rent of 3 room suite. Now what will you assume the rent of 3 room suite? Okay, you can assume it as 1 and also do it. So suppose 3 room suites rent is 1. Now it is given that Double room suite is 3/4 of the rent of 3 room suites. So 1 into 3 by 4, 0.75, and it is given single room's rent is 2/3 of double room. So double room we got 0.75, 2/3 of that, 0.5. I repeat, we assume 3 room suites rent as 1. Now double room rent is 3/4 of 3 room suite. 3 room we assumed as 1. So 1 into 3 by 4, double room will be 0.75. And then it is given single room's rent is fixed at 2/3 of double room suite. Double room we got 0.75, so 2/3 of that, 0.75 into 2 by 3, 0.5. So this is again one thing different from past questions, where double room was given in comparison of single room and triple room in comparison of double room. Here entire reverse. Double room in comparison of 3 room and single room in comparison of double room. Now 25650 into 0.5. So that comes to 12825. 11,400 into 0.75. That comes to 8550, and 4650 into 1 is 4650. What is this? This is weighted rent or weighted number of rooms. Okay, total of this would be required. Okay, total of this would be required. So 12825 plus 8550 plus 4650, that comes to 26025. Now this we have done earlier also. What are the total takings we are going to recover from all the rooms? Total takings we are going to recover from all the rooms is 15,61,500. So how much should we recover from single room? 15,61,500 multiplied by 12825 divided by 26025. So that comes equals to, now here I have given you the shortcut also, if you all remember in the live session, 1561500. First you divide by 26025 and then you press into 2 times and you do 12825. So your answer would come to 7,69,500. This is what we have to recover from single rooms. Okay. Same way, how much will we recover from double room? 1561500 into 8,550 divided by 26025. What you have to do is simply press 8550 and equal to, you'll get the answer. Okay, 5,13,000 is what we have to recover from double room. And same way from triple room, simply press 4650 and equal to, okay, the shortcut method is 15,61,500 divided by 26025. Do 15,61,500 in calculator, divide by 26025 and then press into 2 times in your calculator. Directly 12825 equal to 8550 equal to and 4650 equal to. You'll get your respective answers. Here when you press equal to, you'll get 7,69,500. Here when you press equal to, you'll get 5,13,000. Here when you press equal to, you'll get 2,79,000. So directly you'll get it in your calculators, but the actual calculation is 15,61,500 into 4650 divided by 26,025. But instead of doing so lengthy calculations every time, you can do this directly in your calculator. 15,61,500 divided by 26,025 into 12825 equal to 8550 equal to 4650 equal to, directly you will get 7,69,500, 5,13,000 and 2,79,000. Okay. Or if you don't understand, obviously you can do the entire calculation as shown here. Now this will be divided by number of rooms to find the rent per day. Okay, number of rooms here, when you divide by, you'll take 25650, 11,400 and 4650. So do it 7,69,500 divided by 25650. That comes to 30 rupees per day rent. This is rent per room per day. 5,13,000 divided by 11,400. You get 45 rupees rent per room per day for double rooms, and 2,79,000 divided by 4650. You'll get 60 rupees rent per room per day. Now at the end we just have to cross check whether that calculations are correct or not. So you were given that rent of double room is 3/4 of 3 room suites. So check it. What is 60 into 3 by 4? See, do you get 45 or not? Yes. And rent of single room is fixed at 2/3 of double room. So check it. 45 into 2 by 3. Is it coming to 30 rupees or not? Yes. So rent of double room is 3/4 of 3 room suite, and rent of single room is 2/3 of double. So this is how we have to calculate it. You can see almost everything was same, only new point was of season wise you were given, plus wages was the new point in this question, for which we did the workings of occupancy in the day. So I hope everyone must be very confident with these type of questions. A lot of practice has been done. Now next lecture we'll be taking up with the questions on break even. That's a new point. So next lecture would be on break even. Bye everyone. See you in the next lecture. Take care.